Good evening, everyone. About the game, we have planned that game to, like I said all the time, to start very high pressure in the opponent in order to score early. Unfortunately, the plan was not what was expected. We've been dominated. I think the whole first half we have lost many balls. We didn't have the control of the ball in that first half because the opponent was good, very good players, a lot of mobility in the middle. We didn't concede lots of chances in the first half, but in the same time I was not so happy about how we started. We had to change, to make some changes at the second half, to bring some fresh blood with some profiles of the players that are able to play forward, to keep the ball, to control the ball, and I think we changed the impact players, changed the physiognomy of the match in the second half. It's the image that we are expecting from Orlando Pirates. If we are ambitious, if we want to reach quickly the top of the login, it's this kind of performance, this kind of rhythm that we expect from a team of Orlando Pirates. I can explain maybe the lack of control in the first half because of maybe a fatigue as well. So I don't want to look for excuses, but you know, we played a few days ago a very important game for the MTN. So we can. It's understandable that we didn't have a very good first half. So, but at the second half we played some nice football forward. We created some chances. We wanted to imbalance that team that's of Orbit, who was closing the game from inside, and we find space on the side. And we wanted to imbalance the team in that area. We create some chances, but the most important chances came from Sima, and that's it. After we decided to close because these 3 points are crucial for us.
We'll now open for questions from the floor.
Good evening, Coach. Good evening, Zakon Kari from ENCA. I just wanted to find out how